Up next on Good Taste, smoked pork chops with root beer glaze and barbecue shrimp and grits are just for starters. All at a state fair like no other.
We call it queso blanco.
Plus, a wine bar bonanza with a sensational setting, delicious food, and a chef with a sense of humor.
You kind of twist it up under itself, the top.
No one look. Then move over a Motown. A big city chef brings gourmet dining to the hill country.
And then I come out here with chickens in the back and pig and...
You're in Texas now. Good Taste starts right now. Hi everyone, welcome to Good Taste. I'm Tanji Patton. Each week we take you on a taste tour around Texas. This week we're starting at the State Fair. Not the State Fair you're thinking about. This one is in Houston, and the flavors here are as big and bold as the state of Texas. Prepare to be dazzled. Flavors here are as big as the state of Texas.
It tastes really good and really fresh.
We're talking super high quality, scratch-made comfort food, all at State Fair Kitchen and Bar in Houston. Here, home style is taken to new heights.
It's not your everyday mama's grilled cheese. It's awesome.
The menu is loaded with local flavors like New Orleans-style barbecue shrimp and familiar names like Fulton's street-style shrimp cocktail, named for the street in Houston's 3rd Ward.
This is our Sabine Pass gumbo.
Oh man,
A lot of flavor.
that is so good. State Fair is a really cool space. There are more than 40 local and imported beers on tap. Cocktails here are crafted with care, infused with fresh ingredients like the spicy apple martini, garnished with star anise.
There's a lot more going on.
You're former big Mr. CEO, hotel executive, and you're the restaurant. I've been such a fan of the things you do for so long. How did you two come together?
Well, we were on a dating site together. No,
Yeah.
I'm joking.
All joking aside, this is a serious partnership between two longtime friends who know how to produce seriously delicious food. The idea? Recreate the dishes they both loved growing up.
So this is our chili. We call it Jimmy's Texas Red.
This is Jim's own Texas-style recipe with no chili powder, no tomato, and no beans. Just hand-cut beef simmered down with roasted ancho and pasilla chilies and a shot of Shiner Bock beer.
Jim's chili's really, I have to have probably a cup of it every other day.
Oh man, that's good. I can imagine that on a Frito pie. Talk about bring back memories. They've got that too. A Frito pie unlike any you've had at any other state fair. A big ladle of Jim's smoky chili makes the house-made Hatch chili con queso taste all the better. The jalapenos and cheddar top it all off.
We call it queso blanco.
Hatch chilies are the best. That Hatch chili con queso is amazing on the chili cheese fries too. And we're just getting started. State Fair's menu is huge.
Now there's, I don't know, 70 or 80 dishes or some crazy number on the menu, and they really represent this part of Texas.
Like this Texas caviar salad with black-eyed peas, paired up with 2 deviled eggs, topped with bacon.
Well, Lee has more great ideas before breakfast time than I'll have in a month or two.
One example, the delicious homemade Dill Pickle Dip.
It's a dish that our family has for every holiday.
So Jim recreated it for the restaurant.
And I messed with it a little
We
bit.
messed with it a little bit.
This-
And took it one step further by adding the perfect barbecue potato chip.
I think they're the best barbecue potato chips going.
They are delicious. And so is the chicken fried ribeye steak. Jim worked 5 months to perfect it.
It was tender.
The secret ingredient? a splash of strong black coffee in the gravy.
And I love gravy, so this is good gravy.
The guru of gravy is also the wizard of the roux.
The difference between just right and burnt in a large pot on a hot stove is about 5 seconds.
Wow! The perfect mix of flour and fat is the first step in making State Fair's fabulous smothered catfish and tasso ham etouffee.
We're gonna make a little stew.
Constant stirring keeps the heat consistent and prevents lumps from forming. Adding garlic and onion cools it down until it gets shiny.
Chemically, what's going on is we want the water that comes out of the onions to go away and concentrate its flavor. And it can only do that in a hot environment.
Were you a chemistry major?
No, heck no. No, but food is all about physics and chemistry.
It really is. In goes the wine, chicken stock, then the veggies.
It's starting to get the thickness that I want, so I'm gonna add my ham.
And the tasso has so many more additional spices we're adding to the mix, right?
Yes, it'll flavor the dish a lot.
You can taste the passion in every bite.
If you cook with love, the food knows it. And the food whispers that to your guest, and then your guest knows it and it tastes better.
State Fair is awesome. Coming up, it's music to our ears. Gourmet masterpieces from a Motown chef who made the switch to country life without missing a beat. But next, we're singing the praises of Pinots, Sauv Blancs, and Chardonnays with a wine master who sees all kinds of goodness in every single glass.
You can explore the whole world through a glass of wine.
We'll save you a sip when we come right back. Good things come from Cisco.